So welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Food FS. How have you guys been? How is trading going for you guys? Hope you guys are making profit. You guys are seeing a lot of gains. I know it's not easy, but you just have to stick to the game. Keep pushing and keep pushing, learning, refine, trying, practice till you get it right. So over the week we had the 1:6 trade on V25 1x, and this was how it went. You can see on my screen. This was the trade. You can see this is the result. $67 per position. That's about $134 profit realized. So this was the trade. So I'm going to be doing a recap on how we took this trade of V25 on X. Just going to show you the process, just as I've always been doing. So let's go to the chart so that we'll do a recap on the process, on the analysis on how we came about taking the trade. So here's the chart. Here's the chart. Like I've always told you guys, I trade what's it called? Algo market strategy, algo market structure, sorry. So algo market structure, that's what I trade. That's my trade pattern. Let me do a recap of what algo market structure is. Yeah, okay, part. So this is it. So for the algo market structure, I want to see a trading market or a market being at the point of reversal. Is that either a trading market or a reversal point? So this is what I expect. So I expect market to create a high, come back, take out this previous low, create another high, create an internal liquidity, which is create an internal low, internal liquidity, create another high, and come back to sweep this previous internal liquidity or previous low, expand to the upside. That's for uptrend continuation. And for a downtrend, I want to see market like this for like the opposite. How do you see market like this? Create a low, sweep the previous high, create another high, low, create an internal liquidity, which is an internal low, create another, create another low, and comes to sweep this previous low before expanding to the downside. So that's pretty just the algo market structure. So where exactly? So these are liquidity. This liquidity is another liquidity taken before we enter the market. So we want to see levels of liquidity. So for a downtrend, this is first liquidity, and this is the internal liquidity that is very important to us. So for a long position on this, so we'll be entering from this point. Well, our take profit should be somewhere here, and our stop loss will just be just below this low here, below this low, just be below this low. Yeah, I hope you guys are learning this process. This is one of the best trading strategy you can actually get in the market. The success rate is very high if you can master everything. So for a sell position, this is for a sell market. So we'll be entering from here with our TPB in this position, while stop loss will be around here. So that's it. So for this trade, we had so many reasons to sell the market. There were so many confluences that made us took this exact trade. So many confluences. So before this thing happened, because I like I said before, I also trade what's it called, candle CROT, candle range theory. So let me take it to 24 hours. So I was very sure and certain that the market was a downtrend before the algo market structure was created. So this was it. This was it. This is it was an obvious downtrend. Hmm? So this was our range. This was our candle range. Let me expand it. This was the range. So you see it. This candle, this candle here was our range. And if you take a look at it, this previous candle swept it and from without swept it and closed inside that candle, not above the range. So that was our first sign that market was going to reverse. So the most beautiful thing that happened again that makes it me to confirm that market was going to be a downtrend. Initially when this closed, it's obvious our next candle was going to sell down to this uh, candle open. This candle reach is open. So if you are taking this strategy, your first TP should be at 50% of this candle range. The second TP will be at the low of it. So this was it. This was pretty just it. So when I now saw that we had the candle weak at this previous low again and closing inside, I was so certain about the sell. So this very candle, this this very candle here, this very candle, this very candle here. When I saw it weak out taking all lows just to come and close within our normal candle range, the market was so certain for a sell. It was so certain, so certain. So let's go back to seeing that candle range theory. Hmm? See that candle range theory. What's wrong with my network? What's wrong with network? Why is network fucking me up? Okay, thank God. So seeing that candle theory, hmm, I also use if you know how to use Fibonacci very well. So Fibonacci made us to give us another reason to make sure this market was going to sell from that point. So Fibonacci gave us a that we were in our premium zone. But let's leave Fibonacci first. So this was market giving us our algo structure. Yeah. Let me go to 30 minutes so that this was market giving us our algo structure. Yeah. Right away. Hey, I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. And this is already 9 minutes. What's wrong with network? Please, network. Okay, here we are. So this was market giving us our algo market structure. So we have this pap, pap, pap. And we came to sweep it. We came inside this pap, create this eternal low, and we came down to this level. And market pap swept this previous low and we tap all the way down. So another thing that I also checked to confirm this market then was Fibonacci. This was Fibonacci. See, it was on our discount zone. It was on the discount zone, so it was so obvious that market was going to sell. You see, our liquidity was just at the 50% level. So and making it to be on our distance zone. So you can see the Fibonacci 2 that I used through. So it was obvious that this structure was going to hold for me. Where now I've used three strategies to take this trade. I used three confluences. One was candle range theory, confirming that market was going to sell. Second one was market forming our algo market structure, and thirdly was Fibonacci replacement telling us we are on our discount zone for sale, and that was a perfect sale that um that happened. So we had the ratio we had a one ratio six setup. We had a one ratio six setup. I see it. So immediately market tapped on it, boom, we came down all the way, all the way, and these are chart. This was the chart results. This was the chart results. See it. This was the chart results. Pop all the way down. Pop. I will realize about one $130 in profits. You can see it. This was my Fibonacci throw. I draw on my phone. So this was it. This was special. $7.66 per position. Just opened only two positions. Yeah, this figure here I say is for another trade. I took a sell on crash 1,000. I hope I'll be able to make video on how I took that crash 1,000 buy. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for following to this stage. It was nice having you guys around. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just keep going, study the strategy, learn it. Tell your friends to come and learn from my channel. You should subscribe because I will keep posting on how to use the strategy, confluences I use when trading, and other things. So, thanks. Please like, subscribe, and share to all traders. You can also join our Signal group. It's not expensive, just about $30 for 2 months. I'm not expensive. I'm very cheap. I'm a cheap trader. $30 for 2 months. You have access to all these signals, all of these signals. Yeah. All right. I'll see you on our next video. Be there.